Hey guys, welcome to Next Stage channel. This video is a little update over that market has fallen below the green zone and formed a body below that as well, as you can see here. So this is like a knockout shot. I mean, there is nothing like people will be now bullish about. Everyone will be like, as per my prediction over here, the market has fallen. As per my prediction over here, the market has fallen. There won't be any positive talks in the market or by the retail people at all. So this is where if even whales who are selling from there want to sell again, there won't be any enough buyers over there. But it is worth saying that in the range of 28K to 29K, there are actually quite an abnormal amount of buy orders already placed in the market than others. So that is something to be like 28K will be hard to break, or if that is broken, maybe in next few seconds we may see 26 or 25K as well. So realistically speaking, Fibonacci retracement is around 26,700 level. So we may possibly see that level real soon in this kind of trend because if we see from the past, the master candle has a biggest wick. The wick is getting smaller every time what to say, reaching these zones, that is 30K zones. Now the body has closed below it, which is extremely bearish thing, and many people could have shorted possibly here, and there is no liquidation happened as well. So whoever shorted over this region hasn't even booked the profit yet. So this seems a lot of information, right? And nothing about it is being bullish at all. But if we want to talk about reversal or something, I can say one thing as an valid point. All right. And this is not what to say an advisable move because such a dip or what to say, it's not a dip actually because you know this is called dip, not this one, right? So yes, this fall is very severe that there is no retracement, heavy retracement at all. So we can't expect anything good about it. But only positive thing we have is like if we buy below this level, like RSI below 30, we may see some kind of pump or pushback in the level. I don't say reversal here, but we may see a push upward. So without leverage, if you buy in a spot or spot trade, we may take some 5 to 10 percentage and exit real quick. That is highly possible because once again, as per history, reaching below it is a pretty, what to say, intense task. It requires a huge amount of fun to happen. As you can see, first time when it reached below, there was a quick reversal. Like if you see from here, that is more than 5 to 10% because those times it was quite a bit bullish rather than bearish, right? So it was an easy pump, and next time when it reaches below, it was a good pump. So every time it reaches below this level in one day, that is a quite a lot of chance that the market may pump a bit, at least 5%. So that trade is quite seemingly possible. But yes, other than that, I don't think anything bullish about it exists other than the fact we may see 26,700 for sure first, and then we may pump back after that. Maybe quite possible because if we see the market now in this perspective, the biggest thing, right, from May 18, this level was sustained, that is being broken. Obviously, the day has to close, and then only this region gets validated. But there is a chance that it may form a wick as well by tonight. But it's seemingly impossible because even the Nasdaq or other US indices has closed in downside. Okay, so nothing is bullish about it. Even BNB is like dumping a lot. I mean, this is the first time I guess after an burn event announcement, the market is dipping like this. Okay, so nothing seems to be bullish at all. Okay, so yes, I thought there will be some sort of bias yesterday because the market has been falling for a while, maybe a quick retracement at least. But US market was falling at the time, making it even worse condition, and then the fall continued. So yes, there is nothing good at all. And I have one thing in mind, and I will let you know in real soon. So please be stay tuned, guys. I will make another video about that one and why I am considering that bull market is not over yet. That's the video. Right, and I'm not gonna give past data and stuff like that. I will be like, what is present because Bitcoin pumping from 1K to 10K is easy, but 10K to 100K is pretty tough, right? It requires a huge amount of funds to draw in to make that happen. So yes, every time you need to use different strategies. Let me make that video real soon. Until then, please be safe, guys. That's what I would say. And the fall has happened and it's not closing yet. Maybe if the close has happened and the confirmation came, many people would just like the short. All right. And then the market may reach this level before any good move towards the uphill. So stay tuned, guys. Please be updated and please don't trade for a while. And yeah, this is a pretty tricky zone. Please stay calm and please be patient for a good trade. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be subscribed, share to your friends. Thank you.